2020 of my channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is now 2020 of my channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Normally Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2, the Nedbank Cup semi-final. Killer what it was.
Away Ngobo. Mnandi Ngobo. First of all Ngobo, ngonile draw la mayiphuma bathi ifinal izodlalela eMoses Mabhida. Guys ngiyacela ku PSL before iviki liphela or Tuesday bazama ukubuyisela emuva bakhansele guys ngoba angiboni ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs nePirates ngayodlalela eMoses Mabhida ndoda istadium esincane kanje icabanga iSoweto Derby eDurban sacela FNB khona istadium esikhulu esingathatha abantu abanengi so please ngicela nje nizama ukuthi nikhansele kancane ibuye ngapha sizodlala kamnandi Mr Nqobo
ngiyakubona ismile sipendlebe sifika la
Kaizer Chiefs idlaye bani mfana
best kangani
cabanga labantu laba ile ucoach umani uReverie asathi uma nabo ubonile ulentuzana ubani lo oshaye ulo number 10 wabo lo uRibeiro bamnikeze yellow card esikhundleni mina bengibona ukuthi yellow i-red card lelana bathi wababambela abona amapawuli nje amancane wethu bekawajaja ewabo ayekele but anyway thina sizawuthini ayikho into esingayisho
ukhuluma nje thina siyintandaro
angithi asinayo leyo mali leyo phela and manje ndoda sibreake enye into bathi sina 10 years singathathi icup 10 years singafiki kuma final bheka manje kunjani
bheka manje nekukhepha
same time and uzathi nginamanga woza la ntwana uzathi nginamanga yabo le ntwana le ungayiboni igqoka iPirate usupportani boy
support iKaizer Chiefs
hey man manje
ngiyasikhipha namhlanje bangithengele sona abathi ngeke bangithengele seKaizer Chiefs because abana imali yokuthenga seKaizer Chiefs so bathi bathenga sePirates
obathi lesi cheap lesi noma njalo
yabathi si cheap nakhona ngathi basithole maraba start lesi
madoda so
namhlanje ngasishisa
ungashisi nikezo omunye umuntu ungashisi phela ibrand this thing
idodi yaphuphisa le yaphuphisa nami that's why
akusintwana yami intwana like engisupportayo like ethe foot killer njengoba ngibona nginje ngisupporta iKaizer Chiefs but ekhaya bangiforce ukuthi ngigcoke leskipa lesi ngoba abafuna ukungithengela ijezi le Chiefs yabo so ngathi no ntwana buye ekhaya ungabolahleka and ngibonga uNabi ukuthi asuyo ikwani uzobuya baningi abazobuya and hey guys Kaizer Chiefs hayi khona yabona lento yenze ePandara and guys is qualified siyodlala iCap
automatically so
bafethu
automatically so ukuthi nawe wina uyaziwa qualified
and there's this song I got the late Lilimere Buyela Mashubini Yona ngibuyela morao
kwena
ubuye ekhaya
wena marobhi
but anyway sibonga abafana abadlalile uDuba udlale kakhulu nje bonke abafana noMartin namuhla udlale kakhulu so lokho kuyatshengisa guys as ama supporter eKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ama player wethu singawakhulumi kabi singawamemezeli like siwabhuwe then ngoba siwasisa le moral abanayo so asibanikeni isupport the way sibanika ngakhona yabona uMartin namuhla utshengisile ukuthi bekayifuna bekayifuna udlalile ubone uvuma khona la cisho baskora khona walivimba so abafana abadlalile abafana benzile ukuthembeka kuma support cabanga just imagine kube sidliwe iSundowns abantu abawu3 abakuside eli1 thina sigcwalisa istadium sonke you understand bese kuphila njani bafethu but anyway uNkulunkulu khona and ekseni ngiye esontweni ngabamba iBhayibheli ngabatshela ukuthi Pandara ngihlanganisa iBhayibheli mangicela ukuthi ngenzani ngitshela impilo ngaye enyangeni ngayofutha ngathi ngenza ikhombo ngenza ikhombo inyanga nomfundisi ngapha konke kuzohamba kahle
sikhombe ibhomu
ulibonile lijubulile ndoda and ithe makulentuzana mabashaya before first half mabakorele 1 yeah first goal yabo ngasuka ngaya kuma support ngabatshela ukuthi siyabuya Lexan qhubekani nikhule ngoba sifuna that thing ningasheshi ni give up ngoba once ka give up athini nabo baya give up yes abantu bacula like kangena lelo ikhwalaza kaba mnandi kakhulu sathola le free kick yangena noma bangakhala bathi offside asazi thina siwinile so final
Danko
Danko
ake waba congratulations